Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So, as I like to call myself, the failed DIY queen, because anytime I try to do any sort of DIY from the internet, it always goes horribly wrong. I should tell you about my water marble story with my nails. That's another day though. That's another day. So, but today I wanted to make a dream board for the upcoming year. School is coming fast, ever so fast, and I'm terrified. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So, as I like to call myself, the failed DIY queen, because anytime I try to do any sort of DIY from the internet, it always goes horribly wrong. I should tell you about my water marble story with my nails. That's another day though. That's another day. So, but today I wanted to make a dream board for the upcoming year. School is coming. My family doesn't like to buy magazines because like they're expensive and all this sort of stuff. It's like a waste of money. So I just printed out a bunch of pictures. So yeah. So other than these items, you'll probably need a poster board. Like we got this from AC Moore, I bet. Like we've legit already cut off like part of it. I'll have to clean that up a bit, and I'm gonna cut off this part too. So yeah. And then we also have a tarp because I'm afraid to ruin my mom's nice picnic table that's out on her porch. So I have a tarp out that we used to paint on. My sister's art markers, and a charger, because my phone will probably die. Yay! So now that we have covered up our mother's nice table, or father's, whoever, take your poster board, and however much you want for your dream board, I guess. I don't know. Mine's like legit trash, because it's already been cut apart in multiple places. So I'm just gonna cut off the rest of it by, watch me kill myself with a knife. Okay, I'm good. So I think I don't know how to fix this, because it's like coming up here. What if I just taped it so it looks really bad? Yeah, we're gonna do that. Don't expect this to look good, y'all. Just don't expect it. You're expecting too much then. Your dreams for your dream board will be crushed. Did it. Don't know why this one piece bends. Okay, cool. So now we have our dream board all ready to go. I'm gonna start decorating it. Okay, so now we've like cut this, I guess, yeah. We're gonna do things, a lot of things, because I printed out images from the internet. So yeah, and also we have markers right here and all sorts of stuff. So I think we should just like get to cutting and see what happens. Oh yeah, outfit tour real quick. I'm wearing shorts. This really cute shirt that's like off the shoulder and stuff I got from PacSun. It has like little flowers on it. I'm wearing just a gold necklace right there. This little E right there. I'm wearing my Aries earrings actually. Like the V shape of the Aries symbol. And you know, we're gonna drink more water. Staying hydrated. It's so freaking hot out here. I'm sweating. Let's start with some of dreams. You know, some of dreams, whatever. Okay, let's start at the beginning of when I first made this. Okay. Oh yeah, so a big dream of mine is YouTube. I love YouTube so much, and I love making videos and just all that sort of stuff. So YouTube is like the place for me, I guess. So yeah, I love YouTube, and I really hope it grows into something big because it's a lot of fun. Like later my cousin's coming over and we're gonna make some YouTube videos together. He does not have a YouTube channel, but he hopes to have one once he graduates college. So yeah, you should go support him when that happens. I should have made this. I didn't print out enough pictures because I didn't think this board was this big. Oh, what am I doing? Where am I gonna put this in my room? Should I just make it smaller? I don't know. Okay, I'm just gonna make it smaller. I love how I can't life, you know? Just, you know, I'm honestly sweating so much. By the end of this, if I'm not, like, bleeding, I will be shocked. So we have YouTube cut out. We're gonna glue it. What if the glue's melting from just sitting in the sun for a little bit? Okay. ready for this to look so hot. She's gonna be looking so fine. Like, yes, queen. It's gonna be my everything. What else is next? I have random pictures of dogs on here too. It's not like I'm gonna get a dog this year, but like, just dogs, you know, just dogs. So, yeah. I want, also on this page is a picture of hey, look, there's huskies. It's a picture of like a PC, like a really cool gaming setup. And I want to make my gaming setup look even cooler this year. I want to see if I can add to it, because like I already got a second hard drive for my PC, which is being a pain in the butt because I don't have the right cord. So I've had it for about like 2 weeks now and still haven't gotten the right cord. Go eat me. It's legit in the PC, I just don't have the right cord to hook it up. So yeah, so I want a better PC for YouTube. Not just for YouTube, but just for myself, because I like PC video games are the best. And then it goes to PS4. It's PC, and then it's PlayStation, and then it's like Nintendo, and then it's Xbox. I hate Xbox. I have an Xbox, and it's legit a piece of crap. So yeah. And then also, on this very last page, I also have a picture of someone playing Skyrim, because I want to play more Skyrim this year. That game is my favorite game of all time, and you know, I want to play more of it. So that's a dream for this year, so play more Skyrim. That should always be a dream on everyone's dream board, is to play more Skyrim. Ooh, okay. A whole other thing that I want to be able to do this year is I want to learn how to sew, which is very odd. You know, like you wouldn't expect like a teenage girl like, oh my god, I want to sew, like. But like, I want to learn how to sew mainly because I want to learn how to upcycle and make my own clothes. I recently, like yesterday, no joke, yesterday, I went through all of my closet and picked out a bunch of clothes that I don't wear and don't like and like don't fit me, and I'm gonna donate them to Goodwill. And then the rest of, and there's also clothes that I still like, but they're not really in style anymore and stuff, and I put them in a bin in my closet on a top shelf. And once I learn how to sew and get my sewing machine, because I want a sewing machine for Christmas, once I get a sewing machine and stuff, I'm gonna upcycle them and make them look newer. So that is my plan for all those clothes in a bin in my closet. I have another picture of a Chow Chow. He a big fluffy boy. Look at him. He's so big. I love him. I love big fluffy dogs. That's why my favorite dogs are Siberian Huskies and Chow Chows. Oh, I have a picture of Marching Band because if y'all don't know, I play piccolo in my high school marching band. And I love it, and it's so much fun, and my hope for marching band, my dream at least, is, you know, to be good at it this year. I was good at it that's an overstatement. I was really bad at it, and, you know, I want to be better at it. Like, I'm being able to memorize my music a lot faster is what I'm realizing so far, so that's good. That's me achieving my dream, you know. I'm definitely a better marcher than when I started last year as a freshman, so sophomore year, I think it's going to be a good year for me. Okay. Sorry about that. And also, I love the holidays because I get to spend time with family, and I love my family so much. I can't explain it. Can't explain it. People are like, oh, I hate my family, but like, it's very odd. Like, my family's so odd because we're so close to each other. Next is stuff about the environment, because we all know I have my nonprofit organization, Green Generation. Go become a free member today, and you will get updates and email notifications about when our service projects are and when you can come hang out with us and save the environment with us. So, and you get access to certain pages on our website too, like certain articles and, you know, that sort of stuff. So yeah, become a member today at greengeneration.com. So we're gonna write like dream right there, you know. So unless we want to print it out, no, you know what, I'm gonna draw it because I'm such an artist. That was a lie. And we all know it. Whoosh. I printed out a picture of a French horn because I want to get better at it, because I kind of suck right now. Not kind of do, I suck. I absolutely suck right now. So, I want to get better at it. And also, I kind of want to buy my own French horn, because right now I've been renting the schools, and they're like they're so bad. They're over 30 years old and they're actual trash. So I want to be able to buy my own French horn, you know? There's a little thingy that is like an A+, and when I mark that circle, that's a little gold star that says, good work, great work. Great, not good, great. I'm very good at school, and I honestly really like it. Kids, like, they're like, oh my god, I can't wait for like school to be over and all that sort of stuff. Sometimes I don't want school to end. Like, I'll be my 4th period and I'll be like, oh, I feel on the bus after this, I have to walk home. Like, I don't want to do that. I want to stay here with my friends and I want to do work, and that sounds very stupid. That sounds very odd. I want to do work. I want to sit here with my friends and I want to hang out with them and talk to them and do my classwork and hang out with my teachers, because I don't know why. I'm very mature for my age, so I relate to adults like really easily. So when it comes to school, I'm always the teacher's pet, like always, because I just really am good at it and I like it. And I like being close to the teachers because they trust me when stuff happens. I've had teachers but lose my assignments and lose my tests, and they'll just give me 100s because I'm such a good student. They're like, here, I'll just give you 100 because, you know, yeah, you're a good student, and I'm sorry that I lost your project, so in return, I'll just assume that you got a 100. And that's people are like, why would you like want to be the teacher's pet? I'm like, that's why I want to be the teacher's pet. So when stuff happens, like, they put you in charge. I've had classrooms where teachers have legit put me in charge when substitutes are there. They'll be like, do this and this and this and this and this. And while the substitute's here, the substitute has my whole lesson plan. But like, if they need any help, I tell them to come to you specifically because I can't trust anyone else in this classroom. And I'm like, thank you, because then that makes you feel good because you're like responsible, you know? So I love being the teacher's pet, and I'm not ashamed to say that. I love it. So the image I'm cutting out right now is of friends. Well, okay, so I love friendship. I love to be friends with everyone I meet. No joke, everyone. When I typed in friends in the Google search, it came up with Friends, the TV show. And good thing that I've rewatched the show over 10 times. So I'm not saying that as a hypothetical sentence, I'm saying it as a fact. And yeah, this is what I just have a picture. This is my favorite picture of them, is them all drinking milkshakes. So this is my image for friendship on my board. It's not to watch more Friends, it's to be friends. I want to embody them. Next thing I was cutting out was this thingy. It's a picture of someone's play button that says, congratulations for 100 subscribers. I want to be able to reach 100 subscribers by the end of the year. Next is another Jane Goodall quote. Whoop, whoop. It says, it's a picture of her. It's the famous picture of her reaching out to hold a baby chimp's hand. I use this in one of my I've done multiple projects about Jane Goodall and PowerPoint / speeches on Jane Goodall in the past like 2 years. Multiple in the past 2 years. There's multiple things about her. So I know all those facts and stuff about her. And this is a very common photo I used because it's such a cute photo. Okay. It says, the least I can do is speak out for those who cannot speak for themselves. So, it's a picture of her and a chimp. So, she's an animal activist. She speaks out for chimpanzees. They can't speak our language. They can speak, they just can't speak how we speak. And since we seem to be the ones that like to control their future, she needs to speak out for them and say, no, this is what they want. Like, I've seen them in their habitats. I've seen how they live. This is what would be better for them, not this. Even though this is better for us, we need to think about other creatures. I'll say people, but other creatures in this instance. Next is 2 inspirational quotes about dreams that I found. Because why not? Since we're making a dream board, I wanted some quotes about dreams. This one says, don't dream your life, live your dreams. Live your dreams, guys. Live your dreams. It's by C.S. Lewis. And it says, you are never too old to set another goal or to dream a new dream. I like that one because I'm all about Peter Pan and that sort of stuff, staying young and all that sort of stuff. Next is what's on here. Picture of Jane Goodall quote, because Jane Goodall is my idol. Picture of Jack and Erica holding French toast. And picture of different types of social media. So this is how it's looking so far right now. I went upstairs and I printed more stuff to put on here because it still has some empty spaces, but I'm liking it. I'm sweating so badly right now. It's so hot out here. It's gotten hotter over the course of the day. But I finally done it. I have made my dream board. Whee! It looks so cute. I love all like the little decorations I put around it and all that sort of stuff.